Hello everyone, once again welcome to the today's session. Good evening Pratyaksh, good evening Shri. Sorry, good morning. Good morning Pratyaksh, good morning Shri. Quickly let me know voice is clear. Good morning Ved Vyas. Okay, quickly let me know everyone. Am I properly audible? My voice is clear. Good morning Ashwa. Good morning Karnam. Good morning Abhijit. Very good morning to all of you. Good morning Sanju. बेटा if you are joining from your parents IDs let me know your names, okay? तो फिर मुझे clear हो जाएगा. Like for some of you I am familiar, please write your name once, so that will be very helpful. And without any further delays, let us get started with the today's class. We are targeting for doing the questions of classifications, so let us get started here. Okay, चलिए. Okay, so let us get started everyone very quickly with the today's session where we are targeting on the questions of classification, and many of you have already given the answers as well. So first question everyone we have over here is breathing, swimming, playing and reading. Good morning to all of you once again. Good morning Mihir, good morning Raisha, good morning everyone. So breathing, swimming, playing and reading, what will be the correct answer? So Vaishnavi, Ashwa, everyone has given the correct answer. The right answer for the question is going to be here, option A. Okay, breathing. Breathing is the correct answer. What is the correct answer in this question? Breathing is the correct answer because all the other exercises that we know, these are all the form of voluntary exercises. ये सभी कैसे exercise हैं? All of them are the forms of voluntary exercises. On the other hand, breathing is not a voluntary exercise. So breathing here, option A is the correct answer. Question number 2 everyone. Apple, orange, potato, guava. What is going to be the right answer? Good morning Prem. Good morning Serge. Good morning Oves. Apple, orange, potato, guava. What is going to be the right answer? What will be the correct answer here? Apple, orange, potato and guava. Correct. Yes Mihir, I know it's you. Good morning. Everyone is answering correctly. The first correct answer here is given by Ove, second is Vaishnavi, and third after this we have Prem. So correct answer for the question is option C, potato. Potato is the correct answer because among all the given options here we can see what is potato. Potato is a vegetable. Among all the given options that we see over here, potato kya hai? Potato is a vegetable. Rest all of them are fruits. Rest all the given options that you can see, they are fruits. So correct answer will be option C, potato. Question number 3. Year, date, month and calendar. What will be the correct answer? Which of these is the most odd? Year, date, month and calendar. Which of these is the most odd? Year, date, month and calendar. Year, date, month and calendar. Which of these is the odd one? So first correct answer here is given by Ashwa, second is Vaishnavi, third is Shri. Very good. Everyone is answering correctly here. The right answer for the question is correctly answered Abhijit. Calendar is the correct answer because we know year, date and month. ये सभी हमको कहाँ देखने मिलते हैं? We observe them in calendar. So in a way we can say that what are they? In a way we can say they are the parts of calendar. हम क्या कह सकते हैं? In a way we observe them in what? We observe their presence in calendar. So we can say they are more like parts of calendar, but calendar here is entirely the different one. Question number 4. Bake, peel, fry and roast. Question number 4th is bake, peel, fry and roast. This is a previous year question. What will be the correct answer? Bake, peel, fry and roast. Very good. Prem is correct. Kavya is also correct. And third here is Shri. Then Ashwa. Everyone is answering correctly. Abhijit, Sarj, everyone is correct. The right answer here is peel because baking, frying, roasting, what are they? Baking, frying and roasting are the methods of cooking. What are baking, frying, roasting? Baking, frying and roasting are the methods of cooking, but peeling is not a method of cooking. Good morning, Bhavya. Peeling is not a method of cooking. The correct answer hoga peel. Question number 5. Virgo, Pisces, Cancer and Orion. Question number 5, everyone. Virgo, Pisces, Cancer and Orion. Which of these is the most different one? You have to identify Virgo, Pisces, Cancer and Orion. Correct. The first answer यहाँ ओवेस ने दिया है. Second is Kavya. Third is Prem. Then Mehul. Mehul C will not be the answer. Okay. Raisha, Abhijit, Search correctly answered. Correct, Sarthak. Orion is the correct answer. So what is Orion? Okay. What is Orion? If you will have a look over here, Virgo, Pisces and Cancer. What are Virgo, Pisces and Cancer? Virgo, Pisces and Cancer are here zodiac signs. What are Virgo, Pisces and Cancer? They are zodiac signs. हिंदी में इनको कहा जाता है राशि. On the other hand, what is Orion? Orion is a constellation. Orion क्या है? Orion is a group of star. Orion is a constellation. So what will be the correct answer for question? The right answer will be option D, Orion. Question number 6. Plastic, wool, paper and wood. Next question. Plastic, wool, paper and wood. What will be the correct answer? Plastic, wool, paper and wood. Question number 6. Plastic, wool, paper and wood. First is Vaishnavi, second Vedvyas, third Kavya. Okay. Good. Fourth is Mehul, then Pratyaksh. What will be the correct answer? Yes, Prem, you are right here. So the correct answer for the question is plastic. Why plastic is the correct answer? Because plastic is a non-biodegradable substance. Plastic कैसा substance है? Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance. On the other hand, if we will have a look, wool, paper or wood, you can say they are made from natural substances. या इन्हीं को हम क्या कह सकते हैं? They are biodegradable. We can say that they are natural or they are biodegradable. So correct answer for the question will be option 6. Sorry, option A. Question number 7. Green, pink, indigo, violet. What will be the correct answer here? Question number 7 we are doing now. Green, pink, indigo, violet. What will be the correct answer? Green, pink, indigo, violet. Green, pink, indigo, violet. Good. Everyone is right here. Green, pink, indigo, violet, which is the correct one. So if you will have a look here, green, pink, green, indigo, violet, they are what? They are the colors of rainbow. ये सभी क्या है? All of them, they are the colors of rainbow. Rainbow has primarily 7 colors, which we identify by Vibgyor. Okay, what is Vibgyor? V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. That is Vibgyor. And correctly answered, Vibgyor does it contains pink. मतलब rainbow में pink color नहीं होता है. So correct answer for the question is option B. Question number 8. Picture, poster, book and scenery. Question number 8. Picture, poster, book and scenery. What will be the correct answer? Picture, poster, book and scenery. Good. First here answer is given by Ashwa. Second is Prem. Third is Oves. Then Abhijit. Fourth is Vedvyas. Then Vaishnavi, Pratyaksh, Mehul. Everyone is correct. What will be the correct answer? The right answer will be book. Because picture, poster and scenery. In sabhi mein kya hota hai? Generally they contain just one page. And that too is filled by picture. But when we talk about book, book contains multiple pages, okay? Book contains what? It contains multiple pages. Question number 9. Student, lawyer, mechanic, engineer. What will be the correct answer for question number 9? Student, lawyer, mechanic and engineer. Student, lawyer, mechanic, engineer. First is Prem, second Vedvyas, third is Shri. Student, lawyer, mechanic and engineer. Always mechanic answer nahi hoga. The right answer for the question will be, everyone is answering correctly here. The right answer will be option A. Okay, student. Student will be the correct one. Right. Abhijit, Mehul, Vaishnavi. Student will be the right one. Okay, because lawyer, mechanic and engineer, what are they? They are professions. ये सभी क्या है? All of them are professions, but student, being a student is not a profession. So correct answer will be option A. Question number 10. Ladder, staircase, bridge, escalator. Ladder, staircase, bridge and escalator. What will be the correct answer? Ladder, staircase, bridge and escalator. क्या correct answer होगा? The right answer will be ladder, staircase, bridge and escalator. First answer is given by Vedvyas. Second correct answer is by Shri, then Vaishnavi, Mehul. D answer नहीं होगा प्रत्यक्ष. Right answer will be bridge. Okay, now why bridge will be the correct answer? Have a look everyone. Ladder, staircase, escalator. What is the work of ladder, staircase, escalator? वो हमको एक फ्लोर से दूसरे फ्लोर पे लेके जाते हैं. From first floor to second, second to third. They take us from one floor to another. But bridge, what is the function of bridge? Bridge is primarily involved in connecting two places. Bridge क्या करता है? Bridge connects two places. Bridge is associated with connecting two places. So correct answer for the question will be option C, bridge. Question number 11. Eyes, ear, hand and scarf. Eyes, ear, hand and scarf. What will be the correct answer? Eyes, ear, hand and scarf. Okay, it's Darsh. D, correct. First answer here is given by Pratyak. Second is Darsh. Third is Vaishnavi. Then Sarthak, Shri, Oves. Okay. What will be the correct answer here? The correct answer for the question is scarf. Because eyes, ear and hands, all the three of them are what? All the three are organs of body. तीनों ही क्या है? तीनों ही body के organs हैं, but scarf is not a body organ. Question number 12. Sun, planets, star and satellite. Question number 12 is sun, planets, stars and satellites. इसके लिए there are two possible answers. Okay, हम दोनों को discuss करेंगे. All of you can give your answer. Sun, planets, star and satellites. So if you will have a look here, sun, planets, stars and satellites. So here one answer is possible is satellite, because satellites can be natural and in addition to that satellites can be artificial. Like moon is the natural satellite of earth and Aryabhat was the first artificial satellite of India. So satellites can be natural as well and artificial as well. इस वे में अगर हम देखेंगे, so right answer for the question will be satellite. But if we will have a look at it from a little different way, अगर हम इसको थोड़ा different manner में देखेंगे, like planets, star and satellite, there are many planets, there are many stars, there are many satellites. They are present in multiple numbers. Okay, they are present in multiple numbers, but there is just one sun in our solar system. There is just one sun in our solar system. So there are two possible answers in this, but exam में you will be giving just one of the options is going to be there. दोनों options इसमें में present नहीं होंगे. So right answer that we are going to get for this question will be option A as well as D. Coming towards the 13th question, July, August, September, October. You have to tell which of these is the most odd. इनमें से सबसे different, सबसे odd क्या है? July, August, September, October. July, August, September, October. First is Bhavya, second Pratyaksh, third is Kavya, then Raisha, Sarj. Yes, Prem. Darsh, everyone is answering correctly here. Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? The right answer for the question will be September, because July, August, October, all of these months they contain 31 days. In contrast to this, September is a month that contains 30 days. September में कितने days होते हैं? September contains a total of 30 days. That makes it the most different. So right answer for the question will be option C. Next question, question number 14. Uncle, father, nephew, niece. What is going to be the correct answer? Uncle, father, nephew and niece. Which of these is the most different? Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Uncle, father, nephew or niece. Correct. First answer is given by Shri, second is Abhijit, third is Mehul. Good. What will be the correct answer here? The right answer for the question will be option D, niece. Niece is the correct answer. Why niece will be correct? Because uncle, father, nephew. Uncle, father, nephew are masculine gender. Uncle, father and nephew. ये कैसे gender है? They are masculine. Niece is the feminine gender. Niece कैसा gender है? Niece is a feminine gender. Okay, so among all the options, सिर्फ niece ही एक female या feminine gender है. Rest of all are masculine. So that will make it as the correct answer. Next is the question number 15. Tomato, radish, potato, carrot. The next question. Question number 15. Tomato, radish, potato and carrot. What will be the correct answer? We will try to do as much questions as possible, Prem, in an hour. Okay. tomato, radish, potato, carrot. So first correct answer for this question is provided by Shri, second is Vedvyas, third is Oves, then Mehul, Prem. Good. What will be the correct answer? The right answer for the question will be tomato. What will be the correct answer? It will be tomato, because tomato का जो fruit होता है, the edible part that grows above the soil, the edible part of tomato, where it is present? It is present above the soil. But अगर आप देखोगे radish, potato, carrot, where does it grow? It grows under the soil. ये कहाँ पे grow करता है? It grows beneath the soil. It grows under the soil. So correct answer for the question will be what? Option A, tomato. Tomato जो होगा हमारा वो क्या होगा? This will be the correct answer for the question. Question number 16. Poland, Korea, Spain and Greece. Poland, Korea, Spain and Greece. Which of these is the most different one? Poland, Korea, Spain or Greece? Which of these is most different? Poland, Korea, Spain or Greece? Correctly answered, Yashash. Okay. Which of these is the most different? The correct answer for the question is Korea. Korea is the most different because among all the given options, Korea is what? Because among all the given option, Korea is a Asian country. Among all the given options, Korea is a Asian country, while rest of all the others, they are not the Asian countries. So right answer होगा यहाँ पे option B. Question number 17. Chameleon, crocodile, alligator, locust. What will be the correct answer? Chameleon, crocodile, alligator and locust. Chameleon, crocodile, alligator, locust. What is going to be the right answer? Good. First answer here is given by Vedvyas. Second is Kavya. Third is Pratyaksh. Rest others. Correct answer. Right answer यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The correct answer for the question is option D, locust. What is locust? If we'll have a look, locust is included in the category of insect. Locust को हमने किस category में रखा? We have kept it in the category of insect. While chameleon, crocodile, alligator, they are included in the category of reptiles. They are included in which category? They are included in the category of reptiles. So what will be the correct answer for question? The right answer will be option D, locust, because locust is an insect. The next question, question number 18. Pond, river, ocean, waterfall. Good morning, Namita. Pond, river, ocean, waterfall. What will be the correct answer? Pond, river, ocean, waterfall. Good. Once again, everyone is correct here. Pond, river, ocean, waterfall. The right answer for the question is waterfall. What is the correct answer here? Very good. Option D, waterfall is the correct answer because here there is no still water. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे water is not still. Still मतलब बहता हुआ पानी तो है, but from a higher point it is being falling down. So right answer will be waterfall. Question number 19. Diamond, gold, silver, platinum. Question number 19 is diamond, gold, silver, platinum. What will be the correct answer? Diamond, gold, silver, platinum. First answer here is given by Prem. Second answer, correct answer is given by Shri, then Vaishnavi, then Abhijit, then Sarj, Vedvyas, Bhavya, Raisha. Good. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer for the question number 19 is diamond. Diamond is the correct answer. क्यों डायमंड करेक्ट होगा? बिकॉज गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड प्लैटिनम. गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड प्लैटिनम क्या है? गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड प्लैटिनम, वी मस्ट कीप इन माइंड, they are the precious metals. What are gold, silver, platinum? They are precious metal. But what is diamond? Diamond is a precious stone. What is diamond? Diamond is a precious stone. Gems, jewelries हम कहते हैं ना. So diamond is included in gems. So correct answer for the question will be what? Option A, diamond will be the correct answer. The next question, question number 20. Paper, wool, wood, plastic. We have done this question, so all of you must answer this really quickly. Paper, wool, wood or plastic. Paper, wool, wood or plastic. What will be the correct answer? Very good. Always correct. Raisha is right. Bhava is correct. Everyone is answering correctly. Nisha, Abhijit, Sarthak. Sarthak is not correct here. Mehul. Everyone is right. What is the correct answer? The correct answer for the question is Plastic. What is the correct answer? Plastic, because plastic again is a non-biodegradable substance. What is the meaning of non-biodegradable substance? कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो सड़ती नहीं है, ठीक है, which do not get biodegraded, that is called as non-biodegradable. Question number 21. Manipur, Kohima, Sikkim, Mizoram. What will be the right answer? Manipur, Kohima, Sikkim and Mizoram. What is going to be the right answer? Manipur, Kohima, Sikkim and Mizoram. Manipur, Kohima, Sikkim and Mizoram. Very good. Pratyaksh, Oves, Darsh, Sarj, everyone is right here. Manipur, Kohima, Sikkim and Mizoram. Correct answer for the question will be what? Correct answer for the question will be option B, Kohima. What is the right answer for question? The correct answer for the question is option B, Kohima, because Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. Nagaland का capital city क्या है? The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. But अगर आप सभी बाकी के options में देखोगे, so in all the options, Manipur, Sikkim, Mizoram, all of them are states. But Kohima is what? Kohima is a city. The next question, book, sharpener, pencil and paper. The next question is book, sharpener, pencil and paper. What will be the correct answer here? Book, sharpener, pencil and paper. Book, sharpener, pencil and paper. First correct answer is given by Shri, then Yashash. Vedvas, D will not be the answer. The correct answer for the question is option A. Mehul, D answer nahi hoga. The correct answer for this question will be option A. A will be the correct answer, book, because sharpener, pencil, paper, all the three of them, they are stationary items. They are what? They are actually the stationary items, okay? But book is not at all included in a stationary item. Book is not a part of stationery. Although it happens कि आपको stationery shop पे book मिल जाता है nowadays, but it is not a part of stationery. Only sharpener, pencil and paper are the part of stationery. Question number 23. Wheat, rice, mustard and gram. What will be the correct answer? Wheat, rice, mustard and gram. Wheat, rice, mustard and gram. क्या correct answer होगा इसमें? Wheat, rice, mustard and gram. Shri is correct. Yashash is correct. D answer नहीं होगा. Why D will be the answer? This is not a gram. भी हम kg वाले kilogram वाले gram की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Here the gram means चना. चने को क्या कहा जाता है? It is also called as gram. Gram और chana. Okay, that gram we are talking about here. We are not talking about the kilogram gram. So wheat, mustard and gram, they are examples of rabi crop. Okay, rice or paddy, it is a kharif crop. Rice or paddy is what kind of crop? So the right answer for the question is option B. B हमारा जो होगा यहाँ पे correct answer होगा. What is going to be the right answer? Or in a better way you can keep in mind कि जो wheat, rice and wheat, mustard, gram होते हैं, these crops are generally sown in the winter season. इनको winter crops कहा जाता है. But rice is a monsoon crop or rainy season crop. Okay, so this way you can keep this in mind. The next question number 24. Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur, Nanda Devi. The next question, Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur and Nanda Devi. What is the right answer for question? Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur and Nanda Devi. Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur and Nanda Devi. What will be the correct answer? Why it will be B, Vedvyas. Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur and Nanda Devi. So correct answer for the question, everyone, in this for question number 24 will be option D. Vedvyas is correct here. Okay, D correct answer hoga. Nanda Devi. Why Nanda Devi is the correct answer? Because Deccan, Khas, Chota Nagpur, three of them are plateaus in India. ये सभी क्या हैं? They are the plateaus in India. But what is Nanda Devi? Nanda Devi is the name of a mountain peak. Okay, in Uttarakhand. What is Nanda Devi? Nanda Devi is the name of a mountain peak in Uttarakhand. Plateaus क्या होते हैं? Plateaus are the tabletop like structure. Okay, if we like have to define it, so you can have a look here. This a structure like this is called as plain. Then if it is having a height and a peak, तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? It is called as mountain. But if a structure is having height and it is flat from the top, then it is called as plateau. उस condition में इसको क्या कहा जाता है? In that condition, it is called plateau. So mountains have a peak, and in addition to peak, mountains have a height. Okay, plains have no height, they have no peak. And plateaus have height, but they have no peak. From the top, they are flat. So this is the major difference in all of them. Question number 25. Barometer, thermometer, diameter, lactometer. The next question, barometer, thermometer, diameter, lactometer. First answer is given by Vaishnavi. Okay. Barometer, thermometer, diameter and lactometer. Correct answer for the question will be what? The correct answer for this question will be option C, diameter. Diameter will be the correct answer. Barometer, thermometer, lactometer. All of them, they are the examples of scientific devices. Barometer हम use करते हैं in order to measure atmospheric pressure. Thermometer to measure the temperature of body. Lactometer we use in order to measure the purity of milk. Diameter is different. In a circle, 2 times of radius when we take. 2 times of radius is what? 2 times of radius is diameter. The next question, question number 26. Polite, citizen, impertinent, humble. Question number 26. Polite, citizen, impertinent, humble. What will be the correct answer? Polite, citizen, impertinent and humble. Vedvyas is correct here. Darsh is correct. Oves is correct. Abhijit is correct. Good. What is the right answer for question? Citizen. Correct answer यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Good, Namita. Citizen is the correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Polite, impertinent, humble. They are the characters of personality, or they are what? They are the types of personalities. Like someone is very humble, someone is very down to earth, someone is very polite. Some people are very rude. Okay, तो ये सभी क्या है? They are the types of personalities. But being a citizen, like we all are citizens of India, ये हमारी personality नहीं है. But some people we say they are humble, they are rude. That is personality. तो यहाँ पे सबसे different क्या होगा? Most different is citizen. The next question, question number 27. Gallon, ton, quintal, kilogram. Gallon, ton, quintal, and kilogram. What will be the right answer? Gallon, ton, quintal and kilogram. Correct answer क्या होगा question के लिए? Gallon, ton, quintal and kilogram. So if you will have a look here, ton, quintal, kilogram, they are the units of weight measurement. ये किसके units होते हैं? ये सभी हमारी units हैं weight measurement के. They are the units of weight measurement. But gallon is not a unit of weight measurement. Gallon is a unit of वॉल्यूम मेजरमेंट. जब भी हमको वॉल्यूम मेजर करना होता है उसको हम गैलन में मेजर कर सकते हैं. बट टन, क्विंटल, किलोग्राम वी ऑलवेज मेजर इट इन, इट इज फॉर वेट. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सर्कल, एलिप्स, क्यूब, स्पेयर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सर्कल, एलिप्स, क्यूब and spare. What is the correct answer? Circle, ellipse, cube and spare. Question number 28. Circle, ellipse, cube and spare. First correct answer is given by Yashash. Next is Vaishnavi, then Vedvyas. Chaliye, have a look. What is circle, ellipse? Okay. Correct, Abhijit. That is right. So very few students have given the answer for this. Circle. What is circle? This figure is called circle. Ellipse क्या होता है? This figure. Ellipse के लिए a very common term we use is oval. Ellipse को और क्या कहा जाता है? Oval. Then what is a sphere? Sphere is a 3D figure of circle. Circle का जो 3D figure होता है, like a hollow ball, that is ellipse. But when we have a look at cube, cube is a figure like this. Okay, this is cube. So cube is the most different. Cube is having sides, cube is having edges, cube is having angles, but circle, ellipse, sphere, उनमें sides नहीं होते हैं, उनमें edges नहीं होते हैं, they are not having vertexes, they are not having the angles. So what is the most different one? The most different one over here is cube. So correct answer for the question will be option C, cube. Cube will be the right answer. Question number 29. Root, foundation, tunnel and base. Root, foundation, tunnel, and base. What will be the correct answer here? Root, foundation, tunnel, and base. What is the most different one? Root, foundation, tunnel, and base. Darsh is correct here. Then D नहीं होगा, प्रत्यक्ष. Okay, correct Kavya. D will not be the answer बेटा. Root, foundation, tunnel and base. C correct answer होगा यहाँ पे. Root, foundation, tunnel and base. So root, foundation, base. All the three of them, they are synonyms of one another. ये तीनों एक दूसरे के क्या है? They are synonyms of one another. Root, foundation as well as tunnel, the three of them are synonyms of one another. But tunnel is completely different. Tunnel कैसे है? Tunnel is entirely different. Like we say, if you want to excel in maths, your base in the maths should be strong. If you want to excel in maths, your foundation in maths should be strong. Your roots in maths should be strong. So root, foundation, base, they are synonyms of one another. Tunnel is the most different one. Question number 30, tapioca, ginger, potato and tomato. Question number 30, we have tapioca, ginger, potato and tomato. What will be the correct answer? Tapioca, ginger, potato and tomato. Correct answer क्या होगा? Good. First here answer is given by Bhavya. Good Bhavya. A answer नहीं होगा मेहुल. Correct लिखिता. D is the answer. Okay. Correct Namita. Tomato, correct Vedvyas. D will be the answer. Have a look everyone. Tapioca, ginger, potato. All of them grow above the, sorry, not above, all of them grow under the soil. इनका जो edible part होता है, the edible part of tapioca, the edible part of ginger and potato, that is present beneath the soil, that is present under the soil. But if you will have a look, tomato का जो edible part होता है, the fruit of tomato, it is present above the soil. Okay, so correct answer for the question will be option D. The next question, question number 31, badminton, tennis, billiards or volleyball, table tennis. Badminton, tennis, option C को हम यहाँ से remove करेंगे. Now you give the answer. This is option C, this is option D. What will be the correct answer? This is A is badminton, B is tennis, C is volleyball, D is table tennis. What will be the correct answer? Option C. Everyone is giving. Good. Darsh is correct here. Kanu is correct. Mehul is also right. What will be the correct answer? Option C correct answer यहाँ पे होगा. ठीक है? Because badminton, tennis, table tennis, they have either one or two players in each team. अगर singles game है, so there will be one player in each team. If the game is in doubles, there will be two players in each team. But volleyball has far the more number of players in each team. So correct answer for the question will be option C, volleyball. The next question, looks, beauty, cuteness and character. What will be the next one? Looks, beauty, cuteness and character. What will be the correct answer for this question? Looks, beauty, cuteness and character. Good. Mehul, that's right. Correct Yashish, correct. Everyone is correct. Priyanka is also right. Good. Correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? The correct answer for the question will be option D, character. Looks, beauty, cuteness and character. Looks, beauty, cuteness. They are external features. Okay, they are what? They are external features. But character or someone, this is entirely different. This is more of a internal feature. How a person behaves, how a person is. ये सभी internal features हुए. Okay. So that is option D. Yes, beta Alok, this is for both the classes. क्योंकि reasoning है, so some of the topics are common for class 6th as well as for class 9th. Okay. We are targeting Bhavya for a total of 50 questions, but हम देखेंगे 9:30 तक जितने questions होते हैं, we'll try to do as much as possible. Okay. The next question, question number 33. Wood, cork, stone, paper. Wood, cork, stone, paper. Vedvyas is correct. Then Vaishnavi is correct. Yashash, B will not be the answer. Okay, what is the right answer here? The correct answer for the question is option C, stone. Stone correct answer होगा. Because wood, cork, paper, इन तीनों ही किससे बने होते हैं? All the three of them, their sources are from wood only. Cork is made up of wood. Paper जो होता है हमारा, that as well is made up of wood. Okay, stone is entirely different. So correct answer for the question will be option C, stone. Question number 34. Rain, fog, smoke and mist. Question number 34. Rain, fog, smoke and mist. What will be the correct answer? Rain, fog, smoke and mist. For question number 34, you have to give the answer. That's correct, Vedvyas. Correct, Mehul. D answer nahi hoga, Sarj, Alok. D will not be the answer. Okay, now if you will have a look, rain, fog, and mist. The three of them includes some form of precipitation. इनमें कुछ ना कुछ form जो होता है precipitation का, that is present. They do contain at least some form of water. मिस्ट क्या होता है? इफ व्हेनेवर यू लाइक डू द रूम फ्रेशनर्स को आप स्प्रे करते हो, सो रूम फ्रेशनर्स में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? स्मॉल स्मॉल वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज मिस्ट. फॉग हमने विंटर्स में देखा है, स्मोक प्लस वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स फॉर्म फॉग. रेन ऑल्सो कंटेन्स वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, बट स्मोक इज द मोस्ट डिफरेंट. स्मोक को हिंदी में कहते हैं धुआं, एंड इट इज हैविंग नो वाटर एट ऑल. इसमें वाटर बिल्कुल भी प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन? ऑप्शन सी, स्मोक. स्मोक विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. Smoke, baby, deer and fawn. What will be the correct answer? Smoke, baby, deer and fawn. Good. What is going to be the right answer for this question? Correct, Yashash. A is the correct answer. Correct with no. C is not the right one, Vedvyas. Right answer यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The correct answer for the question is option A. Everyone is answering correctly. Okay. What is the right answer for question? The correct answer for the question is correct. Athar, Namita, this is correct. Smoke. Smoke is non-living. Okay. Smoke is non-living. Vedvyas, rest others. Baby, deer, fawn. All the three of them are living. All the three of them are what? All the three of them are living. So correct answer for the question will be option A. Question number 36. Direction, compass, needle and magnet. Question number 36. Direction, compass, needle and magnet. What will be the correct answer? Direction, compass, needle and magnet. Correct answer यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Direction, compass, needle and magnet. Direction, compass, needle and magnet. Okay, so many of you are having difficulty in this. Compass, needle and magnet, they help us to identify direction. तीनों ही हमको किसमें हेल्प करते हैं? They help us to identify direction. Compass helps to identify direction, north south direction ये बताता है. So does magnet, so does a needle. All of them help us to identify direction. But direction is entirely different. We cannot know the direction by direction. So correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Option A, direction. Question number 37. Square, triangle, cube, quadrilateral. Square, triangle, cube and quadrilateral. What will be the correct answer? Square, triangle, cube and quadrilateral. Right answer क्या होगा? Square, triangle, cube and quadrilateral. So correct answers here are given by Vedvyas, Yashash, Darsh, Alok, Abhijit, Vaishnavi, Namita, Mehul, Oves, Kanu. Correct. What is the right answer? Cube. Because square, triangle, quadrilateral, all of them are polygons. All of them are two-dimensional figure. But if we will have a look at cube, cube is a three-dimensional figure. So right answer क्या होगा? Cube. Question number 38. Lion, wolf, leopard, tiger. Lion, wolf, leopard, tiger. Lion, wolf, leopard, tiger. Correct, Nisha. Correct, Vedvyas. Lion, wolf, leopard, tiger. Correct, Alok. Correct, Vaishnavi, Darsh, Mehul, Kavya. Everyone is correct. Correct, Atharva, Abhijit. Good. Okay. Will be the right answer here? Wolf. Wolf is the correct answer because wolf belongs to dog family. Wolf किसको belong करता है? Wolf belongs to dog family. Lion, leopard, tiger. तीनों किसको belong करते हैं? Lion, leopard, tiger belongs to the cat family. ये किसको belong करते हैं? They belong to the cat family. Wolf belongs to the dog family. Question number 39. Door, gate, table and window. door, gate, table and window. What is the right answer for question? Door, gate, table and window. Correct. First answer is given by Pratyak, second is Alok, third is Vedvyas, then Mehul. Correct. What will be the correct answer? The right answer for the question is table. Table is the correct answer because what is table? Table is a piece of furniture. Table क्या है? Table is a furniture. In contrast to this, door, gate, window, ये तीनों ही क्या है? All the three of them serve as an entry point inside or outside of a house. So correct answer for the question is option C. Question number 40. Spoon, plate, fork, tomato. What will be the correct answer? Spoon, plate, fork and tomato. Question number 40. Spoon, plate, fork and tomato. First is Yashash, second Kavya, third is Oves, then Pratyaksh, then everyone is answering correctly here. Because spoon, plate and fork, they are the items that we use in order to eat the food, and tomato itself is a food item. Tomato अपने आप में ही क्या है? Tomato in itself is a food item. So correct answer is option D. Question number 41. Apple, potato, banana, pear. Apple, potato, banana and pear. What is going to be the right question? Right answer, apple, potato, banana and pear. Apple, potato, banana and pear. Very good. Okay, सभी के आंसर्स यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं. बी, potato. Potato is the correct answer because what is potato? Potato is a vegetable. What is potato? Potato is a vegetable. Apple, banana, pear, all of them are examples of fruits. ये सभी किसके examples हैं? All of them are examples of fruit. Rest others are example. Potato is a vegetable. Next one, gas, juice, water and oil. Gas, juice, water and oil. That is correct, Mihir. What will be the answer for this question? Gas, juice, water and oil. Gas, juice, water and oil. Option A. Good, all of you. A will be the correct answer. Gas, juice, water and oil. Okay, Abhijit, D answer नहीं होगा बेटे, A answer होगा because gas. Okay, gas is the gaseous form of substance. किसी भी substance का gaseous form is gas. Juice, water, oil, they are in which state of matter? They are in the liquid state. ये किस state में present है? They are in the liquid state. So what is going to be the correct answer? The right answer will be option A. Question number 43. Kanpur, Kolkata, Chennai, Patna. कानपुर, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, पटना. कानपुर, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, पटना. कानपुर, कोलकाता, चेन्नई and Patna. Good. Everyone is correct here. What is the right answer? The correct answer here is Mehul, D नहीं होगा. A is the correct answer. Kanpur. Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of the state West Bengal. Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. But Kanpur is not a capital city. Kanpur जो हमारा है, it is not a capital city. In contrast to this capital, Kanpur is a city in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh का capital है Lucknow. So Kanpur is not a capital city because of this reason. Correct. Yes. Okay. Others are capital and Kanpur is not a capital. Good, Prem. The next question, question number 44. Trousers, shirt, coat and cup. Trousers, shirt, coat and cup. Good, Kavya. Trousers, correct Yashash, correct Bhavya. Trousers, shirt, coat and cup. Correct answer क्या होगा question के लिए? The correct answer for the question is going to be option D, cup. Cup is the correct answer. Now question is correct answer cup क्यों है? Because cup is a utensil. While trousers, shirt, coat, they are attires. Okay, they are the clothing items that we have. इसीलिए answer will be D. Next one, Agra, London, Bikaner, Ahmedabad. Question number 45. Agra, London, Bikaner and Ahmedabad. What will be the correct answer? Agra, London, Bikaner and Ahmedabad. Agra, London, Bikaner and Ahmedabad. Correct. Abhijit, Oves, आलोक बेटे डी आंसर नहीं होगा, अथर्व सी नहीं होगा. हैव अ लुक. आगरा, बीकानेर, अहमदाबाद. आगरा is a city in Uttar Pradesh, the city of Taj. Bikaner is in Rajasthan. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. So all the three of them, they are the cities of India. But London is a city in United Kingdom. London is not a city in India. So what is going to be the correct answer? The right answer for the question will be option B, London. London is the correct answer. Right answer हमारा क्या होगा? Option B, London is correct. Question number 46. Car, aeroplane, bus and scooter. Car, aeroplane, bus and scooter. What will be the correct answer? Car, aeroplane, bus and scooter. हाँ, वेरी गुड, दैट्स करेक्ट. द बीकानेरी फूड कंपनी, अब याद आ गया मुझे उनको. गुड. सो बीकानेर इज एक्चुअली अ सिटी. ओके, बी करेक्ट. सभी का आंसर यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. द राइट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन विल बी बी. And your explanation is also correct always, because car, bus and aeroplane, they are all the means of road transport. ये सभी किसके means है? They are the means of road transport. Aeroplane, if you will have a look, it's a means of air transport. ये किसका mean है? It is a mean of air transport. Okay, good. Question number 47. Factory, library, school, laboratory. Factory, library, school and laboratory. What will be the correct answer? नेक्स्ट क्लास बेटा आलोक इवनिंग में होगी 8:30 से. मॉर्निंग में भी 8:30 से और इवनिंग में भी 8:30 से रहती है. ठीक है, सो यू कैन ज्वाइन अगेन इन द इवनिंग फ्रॉम 8:30. आज से 8:30 पे रहेगी. सो 8:30 to 9:30 विल बी हैविंग 1 hour ऑफ क्लास. ओके प्रेम, हाँ रात को 8:30 पे. Okay, so factory, library, school and laboratory. Library, school, laboratory. तीनों ही you can find them very commonly in a school, but factory is entirely different. Okay, और आप कह सकते हो that library, school and laboratory, they are more like the place of learning. Okay, but factory in a way is place of production. Factory in a way is what? Factory is जहाँ पे चीजों का production किया जाता है. That is a factory. So right answer for the question is option A, factory. Question number 48. Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Mary and Sachin Tendulkar. Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Mary and Sachin Tendulkar. Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Mary and Sachin Tendulkar. क्या करेक्ट आंसर होगा? नहीं बेटा, 8:30 की जो क्लास होगी रायशा, इट विल बी हियर ओनली ऑन द यूट्यूब. So Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Mary, Sachin Tendulkar. So Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, all the three of them are cricketers. But Mary, MC Mary Kom, she is a boxer, weightlifter. She is not a cricketer. So right answer for the question will be option C. Correct, Namita. Your explanation is right. Question number 49. The Hindustan Times, the Statements, the Gulliver's Travel, the Times of India. हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, स्टेट्समैन, गुलिवर ट्रैवल्स और द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. क्या करेक्ट आंसर होगा? हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, स्टेट्समैन, गुलिवर्स ट्रैवल और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. मैरी कॉम, कॉम टाइप नहीं हुआ था, MC मैरी कॉम. द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, स्टेट्समैन, गुलिवर्स ट्रैवल और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. Very good. Correctly answered everyone. The correct answer for the question is, okay, the correct answer for the question is Gulliver's Travel. So right answer is option C. Yes beta, class 9th का mock test भी हम include करेंगे. ठीक है, we will be doing it. So Gulliver's Travel is the book. Who is the author of Gulliver's Travel? The author of Gulliver's Travel is Jonathan Swift. इस year का RMS का question है. Who is the author of Gulliver's Travel? Jonathan Swift. Okay. Then the Hindustan Times, the Statesman, the Gullivers, the Times of India. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, every time we have mentioned the, so you must keep in mind, yes Bhavya, that's what I was going to say, that with the name of newspapers हमेशा आर्टिकल क्या यूज होगा? with the name of newspaper. जब भी आप न्यूज़पेपर का नेम लिख रहे हैं तो न्यूज़पेपर के नेम के साथ हमेशा आर्टिकल क्या यूज होगा? द. ओके, सो द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, द स्टेट्समैन, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द दैनिक भास्कर, द इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स. अगर इंग्लिश के सेक्शन में क्वेश्चन आता है कि किसी न्यूज़पेपर का नेम है, आर्टिकल सप्लाई करना है, आर्टिकल यू विल बी सप्लाइंग इज द, क्योंकि हमेशा न्यूज़पेपर के नेम के साथ कौन सा आर्टिकल अप्लाई होता है? द. ओके, एंड विद दिस वी आर ऑन द The last question of the today's class, but not the least question. So, question number 50. Second hour at once and minute. Second hour at once and minute. What will be the right answer? Very good. First answer is given by Alok. Second is Yashash. Third is Vaishnavi, then Vedvyas, Kanu, everyone is correct over here. So at once, second hour, at once and minute. What will be the correct answer for question? The right answer for the question is going to be at once. At once will be the correct answer. Because hour, second, minute, इनको हम use करते हैं for time measurement. Time को calculate करने के लिए, time को measure करने के लिए हम in terms को use करते हैं. But at once is entirely different. Okay. So the right answer for the question is at once. So with this everyone, out of 100 का हमारा targeted था, but yes, we have completed the 50 questions from the topic of the classification or odd one out. I hope आप सभी को ये topic clear हो गया होगा. Okay, coming towards everyone, the next class that we are going to have. So evening में अब class रहेगी today itself on YouTube. So next class will be from 8:30 PM. तो once again आप class join कर सकते हो. 8:30 PM पे class रहेगी. Okay. If you need the link for the class, you are having trouble to join the class, so all you have to do is you have to message me on this number 8305103918. Okay, आप मुझे इस नंबर पे मैसेज कर सकते हो. Write down your name. Okay, कि आपको क्या query है. Write down your name and whatever query you are having, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, evening में बेटा 9 बजे रहेगा. We will be doing English आलोक, so that will be for class 9 as well. Okay, and कल फिर class रहेगी, so specifically we will be dedicating it to class 9th also. Okay, so now we are going to sum up this class. If you are having any trouble in joining the class, any query you are having, you can WhatsApp me. कॉल करोगे, हो सकता है मैं एक बार में ना उठा पाऊँ, so that's better कि आप मैसेज करो. I'll be replying you. Okay, what happened, Darsh? Why you are writing 69? You are having doubt in that? Okay, bye Athar, bye all of you. Bye Abhijit. नहीं, group नहीं है आलोक. There is no group, but if you will WhatsApp me, any information you need, any kind of help you need, I'll let you know. Okay. Okay, bye Alok. Bye Serge. So bye everyone, have a nice day ahead. We'll be meeting once again at 8:30 PM. Bye everyone.